Hey friends and new friends, we're talking about when to harvest turnip. When we got one, I'm going to show you how we harvest it, and we'll be right back. All right, here it is. So let's check it out. That's a big mamma jamma. Now this video will be over if the bottom of this is eaten up with worms or whatever. Let's see what we got. There we go. Not even going to clip it first. Well, maybe I'll end up clipping it first. Looks pretty good. Let's get on the table and see what we got here. All right, there you go. That is that's pretty big mohama there. Snap that one off. I cut these off just like cutting meat. You want to cut outside down. Cut all that without hitting the table. You can eat these. I mean, they're Nebraska greens, but these are going to chickens. Looks like about a 5. Let's see. This thing. 4.5. 4.5 inch diameter, and that's about what they recommend. You can do a lot with these dudes. I see them as a substitute for potatoes. I'm happy it came out without any damage on the bottom. You saw we measured it up. It's about 5 inches, and that's conventional wisdom. 3 to 5 inches. It will get 9 to 12, but if it gets bigger than that, it's going to be tough. So you can do all kinds of stuff with it, just like a potato. But you can eat this raw too. It's crunchy. However, oh lordy, my white pants are all nasty. What's that, shout? And by the way, this is a brassica. It's a cross between a cabbage and a turnip. So these are edible as well. However, these, and I hate it because they're kind of wilting. I got them at the wrong time of day. But they will be going to the chickens, our Golden Comet chickens, so they can get some diversity in that diet. We'll figure it out. Anyway, this, I have no idea what Beth's going to do. I don't know. She's at work right now. We'll follow up with that. Let's see what she's going to do. All right, Chef Beth, so what are you going to make?
Mashed rutabaga.
All right, mashed rutabaga it is. What else could you make out of it?
Well, you can just boil them and eat them like boiled potato. You know, but you want to dice it up. You can roast them. I've really not done much else with them. I just like them mashed.
How would you compare it to a regular Irish potato?
They're very hard, dense like a sweet potato. Taste-wise, they don't taste anything like potato. Well, they don't taste like anything. Maybe a turnip's about the closest thing.
I thought it's sweeter.
Well, it is. It doesn't taste like a turnip, but that's the closest thing. It certainly doesn't taste like a potato. It has a lot more flavor. It's got a lot of iron.
All right, here we go. Chef Beth boiled it, mashed it, put a little salt and pepper and bacon grease on it. Let's see what we got here. 4.5 inch rutabaga. Good golly, Miss Molly. That's pretty awesome. It's really awesome. Of course, it was pulled, what, 3 hours ago. This is really good. Yep. Bingo. I like that 4.5. 30. That's really good. Well, there you have it. That's what we did with it. I appreciate you watching. Leave some comments. How do you fix it? Do you even grow it? And please don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Grow some rutabaga.